Hi, just a quick one here. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to use our GVM and GCM calculator. It's designed to help you quickly and easily understand your vehicle's carrying and towing capabilities. Now, all you need to do is go to our website and I'll show you how to navigate to the calculator. So if you just click on GVM, GCM upgrades, it comes down in a drop down, but it also comes in on the main page here. And you can scroll down, we've got more vehicle specific information down there, but you just click on the calculator there and that will show you to the page with our calculator on it. Now, first off, there are some definitions here in case you're not sure what they are. And there's also a disclaimer here, make sure you read it because we do add the ball weight to the GVM as if the van and the car are all connected. Now, also here, there's a little drop down at the top. Now, for some reason, the drop down doesn't record on the video. I'm not sure why, but in this drop down we do have specific vehicle mates. If you already know your vehicle specification, so you know your vehicle curb weight is 2,231, you can put them all in, your factory GVM 3,300, GCM 6,000, etc. You can put them in manually. If you do have one of these vehicles that is listed, and I don't know why the drop down is not showing, guys, but let's just go for a next gen Ranger. That's a curb weight of a wild track. And that's their GVM, that's their GCM. So they're automatically in there, those weights. So there's quite a few vehicles in there and I am constantly adding more to it. Now, you just pump in your ball weight. If you're towing a 3.5 tonne van, the maximum you can ball weight can be 350. We always like to calculate out at our maximum. Your ATM is 3.5 tonne. Passengers, let's go driver, passenger, 160 kilos. Any other accessories you think you have got in the vehicle and their estimated weight, you can put in there. There's also a list of accessories here if you're not sure, and their approximate weights. This does vary obviously between makes, models, what's in them, etc. But it's just a quick guide there. So let's add a steel bar and a winch, some driving lights, a roof platform, a canopy, a drawer system, and a fridge to this next gen Ranger. And let's calculate and see where we come out. So here you can see the GVM is 3,340 kilos. That's what the vehicle weighs now, including the passengers, the accessories and the ball weight plus a percentage margin to allow for leverage of the ball weight. So we're overweight by 60 kilos. So you ever need to leave the missus at home or drop some weight out of the car. And then the GCM we're over by 90 kilos. So this gives you some things to play with. I said it's a guide. It's not 100% perfect. It's not going to be. We're just using some rough estimate figures, but it's a great quick way to quickly calculate out where you think you might be at weights. Is your vehicle going to work? Let's go for another one quickly. Let's go for a new D-Max here. A 3.5 tonne, 160 kilos of passengers, winch and bull bar. We're at 60 kilos over. So it's just a quick one for there to show you our new calculator. Thank you.